Hi guys, this is Marin from Nokia Mob. I'm here playing around with Nokia 4.2. So let's just get the basics. So it has the 5.71 HD screen, 19.9 by 9 display. It has two cameras at the back, 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel depth sensor. It got 3000 milliamp battery with the adaptive battery technology. Biometric face unlock, and also there are some new things here on the side. You can see this is the dedicated Google Assistant button. We got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 49, which seems to be working quite nicely. Also we have this new power button we got that has the breathing option, which is something I last saw on my Nokia 701, which was of course Symbian, sorry. It's the part of the Android one. It's quite light. At the back we have a glass back which could shatter easily, but there is some plastic around which will prevent that. And the buttons are plastic, but everything looks quite nice. There is a lot of chin there, and the tear-shaped front-facing camera is looking quite nice. Actually, not a lot of people will get OCD from this one. This one is in pink color, running under 9 Pi out of the box. It's in demo mode, which is quite annoying. Let me just take this out. Okay. And check this out. Yeah, it's a pro mode in the camera. Okay guys, see you.